Hey, America. So I want to let you in on something that's happening right inside yourself every single day. You see, food isn't just food. It's a message, a signal, a command that your body follows all the time. Whether it's healthy or unhealthy, your body reacts in a split second. Let's get deeper into this. So what does unhealthy food really do inside your body? Let me tell you about fast food, soda, and packaged food. When you take a bite of fast food, that greasy oil rushes into your stomach and it hurts. Your stomach starts to get red and inflamed. Your digestion slows down and your blood becomes thick. It's all so tempting. But on the inside, it's a fight your body needs to win. And then there's soda and sweet iced tea. One sip sends sugar straight into your bloodstream, making your liver panic. Your blood sugar spikes and then crashes. And those 30 grams of sugar, they stick to your cell walls and damage your liver. Let's not forget packaged food. Chips, cookies, and crackers trigger gut irritation, inflame your intestines, and confuse your digestion. Your brain becomes addicted to them. And you think you're hungry? But your body is actually stressed. So let's talk about healthy food. Oatmeal is the gut healer that helps your stomach relax and your blood sugar calm. Greek yogurt removes damaged cell walls, restores healthy gut bacteria, and strengthens your immune system. Avocado is the brain and heart booster that improves focus and reduces inflammation all over your body. Salmon is the natural medicine that supports your heart and mind like a shield. And that's a basic overview of what's happening inside your body when you eat healthy food, healed. Quinoa and greens, the clean energy machine. When quinoa enters your body, it breaks down smoothly, gives steady, clean energy, balances your blood sugar, and supports digestion. Green vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli, flush out toxins your body has held for years. They detox your stomach, clean your intestines, and improve your digestion instantly. Section 3, what your body actually wants. Your body doesn't ask for perfection. It doesn't want expensive diets. It just wants balance. It wants real food, food it understands, food that heals instead of hurts. Final message. The choice is yours. So remember this. Every bite you take, every sip you drink, sends a message inside your body. Some messages say, heal me. Others say, harm me. But you choose the message. You choose what builds you and what breaks you. Outro. Eat Smart America signature ending. This is Eat Smart America, showing you what really happens inside your body so you can make the right choice. Your body reacts instantly. Your health depends on your next bite. Choose smart. Live strong. And remember, your health starts now.